Alright, so I hope you guys read that. So here is the spot right behind the driver's side rear tire. Up, you can see the fuel line right at the top there is corroded out. So now we gotta remove that top line and replace it. You guys can see the corrosion. Put an arrow to it so you guys can have a better look. Not too sure why there's a bare line up there, but all CRVs will have that. This is where it was leaking from. Here's the 3 screws holding in the plate for the pump, which you access behind the driver's seat in the rear, under the rear seats. And you just pop it up lightly, and you can see there's a clip. You just push it out, it's a pin with your thumb. There's the corroded line running all the way back. There's the corroded spot. And it was so corroded I just wiggled it and it fell out. But you're going to want to push in the pins and slide out the fitting first. Now obviously these are not my lines, but take your time pulling these lines out of these plastic hooks. Here's half of the line. In the next clip you'll see I've just pulled the old line off and just slipped this new hose on. Push it right up to the end. Then put 2 pressure clamps and start feeding it back down the same way I pulled it out.
How's you look, Jimmy?
It's taking a look right now. Looks good.
You ain't got it plugged in though.
So in order to get in here, I cut it with a hacksaw blade, and then I cut it with a proper cutter. As you can see in my hand, I just cut that one so I could pull it down more and get more space to move that tool around, cut it off. Then I just fed this one down, cut it to size. So yeah, there it is. It's all fed around. Lots of room for slip-on length, lots of extra room for those couple of extra clamps that I got to put on as well. You'll see in a minute here. So now we fed it and we're starting to push it onto the actual metal line, and there's the 2 clamps, and it's nicely threaded up and around, and I'm just going to continue pushing it on. So here's basically what we're finishing with. Nice and tight there. So we got 4 clamps, pressure clamps, running it up and around. So there you have it. I added another tie strap. I'm pretty sure we can get away with doing this line this way because it's not a return line. Also, you guys saw the pool around all the gas coming out when I was doing the job. That's because of what I told you guys to do at the beginning. For 2002 to 2006 CRV, all of them I'm sure will have that exact same issue if the elements get up around that area for that exposed metal fuel line. Mr. SFM, if you guys have any comments, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if it helped you out. And yeah, that's gonna do it. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.